Hello everyone, welcome to 2i Constructions. In this professional lecture series, we are going to answer one critical question. How do you become a competent, trusted, and effective batching plant quality control professional? Whether you are a QC engineer, QC inspector, site engineer, or fresh graduate, this course will give you a complete, practical, and industry-aligned roadmap to work confidently in ready-mix plants, on-site batching plants, and precast facilities across Saudi Arabia and international projects. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand the complete quality control system of a batching plant, apply a STM, ACI, BS, and Saudi local engineering standards, perform mix design review, trial mixes, and concrete testing, manage documentation, RFIs, logs, and non-conformities, coordinate effectively with consultants, laboratories, and site teams, protect projects from quality failures, NCRs, and rework. This is not theory only. This course is based on real site practices, mega project requirements, and audit-ready QC systems. A batching plant QC professional is the first line of defense against poor quality concrete. Your responsibility is to ensure that every material, every batch, every record meets project specifications, international standards such as STM, ACI, and BS, Saudi engineering regulations, and local authority requirements. Quality control is not optional. It directly impacts structural safety, durability, and project success. In this course, we cover QC practices applicable to ready-mix concrete plants, on-site, project-based batching plants, precast concrete factories, infrastructure, and megaprojects. The principles taught here are universally applicable, whether you are working on buildings, roads, bridges, or industrial projects. Now let me briefly explain what this lecture series will cover and how we will proceed step by step. Module 1, Introduction to Batching Plant Quality Control. In this module, we will cover who is a batching plant QC professional, why QC is critical in concrete production, responsibilities, authority, and accountability, basic expectations from a QC role under international and Saudi practices. This module builds your foundation mindset as a QC professional. Module 2, Qualifications, Experience, and Skills. Here, we will discuss required educational background, industry experience expectations, technical skills such as testing, calibration, and inspection, soft skills like communication, documentation, and coordination, common professional certifications required in the industry. This module helps you assess yourself and prepare for career growth. Module 3, Understanding Standards and Specifications. This is a core module. You will learn how ASTM, ACI, and BS standards are applied in batching plants, key concrete-related standards for sampling, testing, and acceptance, how specifications control quality from raw materials to final concrete. We will focus on practical application, not just code reading. Module 4, Documentation and Record Control. In quality control, if it is not documented, it did not happen. This module covers mix design sheets, trial mix reports, calibration records, material test certificates, daily logs, delivery tickets, and reports, proper document control and audit readiness. This module is critical for consultant approval and compliance audits. Module 5, Roles and Responsibilities of a QC Professional. Here, we focus on daily site reality, including monitoring batching operations, verifying materials and stockpiles, checking mix proportions and moisture corrections, performing routine fresh concrete tests, coordinating with site teams and consultants. This module defines what a QC professional does every single day. Module 6, Batching Plant Approval Process. In this module, we explain plant classification, permanent and temporary plants, Approval workflow followed in Saudi and international projects. Required documents, inspections, and evaluations. Importance of ISO-based quality management systems. Continuous monitoring and reassessment. This module helps you understand how plants get approved and maintained. Module 7, Mix Design Approval and Trial Mix Process. This is one of the most critical modules. You will learn types of mix designs, submission and review procedures, trial mix requirements, uniformity testing, strength evaluation and approval, validity, renewal, and performance monitoring. We will explain trial mixes step by step, from batching to reporting. Module 8, Concrete Uniformity and Field Verification Tests. This module focuses on testing and verification, including slump, temperature, density, air content, sampling and specimen preparation, curing and compressive strength testing, storage and material condition checks, use of control charts for quality monitoring. This is where theory meets laboratory and field practice. Module 9, RFI, QC logs, and managing non-conformities. Finally, we cover when and how to raise RFI, QC logs, and traceability, managing non-conformities professionally, root cause analysis, corrective and preventive actions, proper closure with consultants. This module prepares you to handle real project challenges confidently. If you want to improve your QC knowledge, strengthen your professional profile, work confidently on major construction projects, avoid quality failures and documentation issues, then this course is designed for you. In the next video, we will start with Module 1, Introduction to Batching Plant Quality Control, and build this journey step by step. Thank you for learning with 2i Constructions. Let's raise the standard of concrete quality together.